come against you in the mighty name of Jesus. And we want to declare, oh God, my Father, you reign. You are reigning in this particular place. We thank you, mighty God. We exalt you. We lift you. We lift you. We exalt you. Tunaweza tukuinua sauti zetu. We declare that God reigns with the power and majesty. We declare that he reigns with the power and majesty. You reign with power and majesty.